In this video, we will see how to manage your client's balance directly from your Framework360 environment. First, we need to go into customization, Matcha plugins, Daikidation, and then look for the balance clients plugin. As we can see, this plugin allows us to manage the balance in credits and debts that our clients may owe us, or that we clearly owe to our clients, affiliates, or resellers, etc. Let's click on Install, then click on OK. Great. As always, the plugin will have opened some settings here on the left, and in this case we can see Preferences, Plugin, Balance, Clients. The only setting currently available is the option to display the balance in the client area, clearly for our clients registered on the website. In this case, we can also click on Save, but we will look at it later to see our client's balance and manage their debts and credits. We need to go into Clients in the sidebar on the left and then click on a profile. In this case, for example, this client might have incurred a debt with our company, and so we can go into their profile. Click on Balance, then select Client Debt, and here add the value of the debt that this client has with us. In this case, we can enter, for example, 35 euros. In internal notes, we can see, for example, that we can enter the reason why this client owes us 35 euros. For example, they didn't have cash. We can enter this reason and click on Add Operation. By doing so, a debt from this client to us will be added to the list of operations as we can see. In fact, it is also on the left in the balance. The client's balance, in this case, shows minus 35 euros. If we, for example, want to add a credit later, we could enter 35 euros as a settled credit debt and click on Add Say Operation. As we can see, in fact, minus 35 plus 35 debt settled. The balance will appear as 0 and the summary will clearly disappear from the sidebar. Let's click on Save the Profile as we can. See now the client in their client area can log in and we'll see a tab called My Credits with the balance and the history of operations that have been performed on their profile. This only appears because we decided as we remember in the Preferences plugin to enable Show section in the client area. Here we could insert, for example, an introductory text. We can write this message, click on Save, and then by reloading the page, we can see that the message will appear for our clients. Additionally, there will also be the possibility to enable a withdrawal request that will allow, for example, affiliates. Refer to the tutorial dedicated to the affiliate plugin to request the payout for their commissions, as we can see. Here, by reloading the page, request payment will appear with the amount they wish to withdraw. In this case, since there is no credit, nothing can be withdrawn. But if we go into the balance and, for example, remove the debt by doing so, in this case, the client will have 35 euros available for withdrawal and can enter, for example, 35 euros. Request in this case, indeed, to the email N of the environment. In this case, we see Settings, Configuration. We can set it from here, which is my email. An email request will be sent with the payout requested by this client. We could obviously also set a minimum value. If we, for example, enter 40 euros, we can also add a message that will appear when the value has not yet been reached, such as in the previous case, it was 35 euros. If the minimum value for the payout is 40 euros, this message will appear. Otherwise, the message that appears when the amount has been exceeded to request the withdrawal